This is our new Rotary Breaker. It arrived on Monday on a truck from Newcastle. The load escorted all the way up. We unloaded it with a 220-tonne crane and installed it the same morning onto the position you currently see. So the Rotary Breaker is designed to receive the coal from the mine. It enters the breaker at about 600 tonnes per hour and it is tumbled internally to break it down. Typically the coal will break more rapidly and falls out through the holes you can see behind me, while the rock will remain intact and will be eventually tumbled out through the end into the reject stream. So the Rotary Breaker is a better piece of equipment than the previous screen because it doesn't force every piece of material to get broken up to a smaller size. If rock passes through here intact, it will fall out the end. Previously, all of the material that entered the crusher was resized down to 150, which makes it more risk that the rock might pass through into the product stream. The Rotary Breaker will improve our throughput and production capability in that there'll be no delay time between trucks now. Previously, the material wasn't handled fast enough through the CHP. Now we can feed in here at 600 tonnes per hour. The trucks can tip straight into the ROM bin each sequence rather than having to rehandle material on the upper ROM. So it should keep up well with the product flow out of the pit. Between the new ROM bin and the Rotary Breaker, we can now receive 110% of a truck into the ROM bin, which means that there's no break between trucks. Currently we cannot receive full truckloads. The cycle time of the plant then from the bin through the Rotary Breaker means that we'll keep up with the natural flow of trucks out of the open cut.